Now the fourth question is suggests modification in the logic in case of arrival of any important person. Instead of automatic traffic control, only yellow lamps are to be flashed. Now this is the modified circuit. I have already explained the basic circuit and its simulation in a previous video whose link is given in the description. If you haven't watched that video already, please watch that before watching this video any further. Now this circuit consists of an additional input block to provide the signal for arrival of an important person and an additional OR gate and a NOT gate. So when this input is on and this input is off, this input signal would be 0 and the status of this OR gate would depend on the output of this AND gate, and also due to this NOT gate, this input to the AND gate would always be 1 and the output of this AND gate would depend on these two inputs, and hence the cycle would run as in the basic circuit. Now in the basic circuit, this AND gate is responsible for controlling the status of yellow light, and in this modified circuit, the OR gate is responsible for controlling the status of yellow light. Now this OR gate would be on if either this AND gate is on or the input signal for arrival of an important person is on. The, the purpose of this OR gate is to ensure that yellow lamps are flashed when an important person arrives. Otherwise, the process of cyclic turning on and off of yellow light continues. So when an important person arrives, this input is 1 and due to that this input to OR gate is 1 and OR gate is on. As a result, yellow light turns on, and due to this NOT gate, this input of AND gate is 0 and AND gate is off. As a result, the green light is also off. But to ensure that red light is also off while the cyclic process is going on internally, this NOT gate is added. So when the VIP signal is given due to this NOT gate, this input to AND gate is 0 and hence this AND gate is off and the red light is also turned off. Otherwise, this input would be 1 and the red light would turn on and off sequentially as in the basic circuit. So now go to the simulator and simulate this system. So we would need two digital input blocks, three digital output blocks. Now let us name them. System input, that's correct. VIP arrival signal. Green light, yellow, and red. So these are our two inputs, and these are our three output, the three lights. Now we need three on delay timers. The time base of the timers in this simulator is in milliseconds, so we will enter the preset values accordingly. Next we need four AND gates. Five NOT gates, and one OR gate. Now let us complete the circuit by joining the blocks. So now we are all set, and let us run the system. Compile, run, and we toggle the first input and not the VIP arrival signal. So as soon as we toggle the input, we see green light turns on, then yellow light turns on, then red light turns on, then again green light is on, and again yellow is on, and then red is on. So this cycle would continue to run as it was in the basic circuit. Now when we give the VIP arrival signal by toggling this input block, we see that green and red light both are off and only yellow light is on, as you can see. Irrespective of the status of internal system, only yellow light is turned on until the VIP signal remains on. So when VIP is now crossed the seam, then by toggling again this input block, we can see the whole system now restarts. Red light is on, then again green light is on, then again yellow is on, and then red is on again. So again this cycle will continue, but when we toggle this input block, that is we give VIP arrival signal, only yellow light is on and the other two lights are off, as you can see.